Hi there, welcome to our HubSpot contacts demo. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to get you started with HubSpot. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, you'll see a bright orange button that says Get HubSpot Free. Click on that. Now you'll be taken to the registration page. Here you can sign up using your email address or other given authentication methods like Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Next, HubSpot will prompt you to enter some basic information about yourself and your company. Here, choose the options according to your preference. Choose the industry you are in. Choose the role that describes you the best. Here, add the name of your company. Once done, click on Next. Choose the number of people working in your company. Next, add the website of your company. Once done, click on the Next button. In this step, choose the template that suits you the best, or you can set up manually instead. We have chosen Customer Service as the service and Manage Customer as the service template. Once done, click on Apply Template. In this step, you can either add your contacts or choose to skip and use sample contacts. If you want to invite your teammates, you can send an invite or click on the Skip button. And voila! You're now registered and ready to explore all the amazing features HubSpot has to offer. Here, you'll see a list of all your contacts, but let's add a new one. Click on that bright orange button that says Create Contact in the upper right corner. A new form will pop up. This is where you'll enter all the details for your new contact. Start by filling in the email address and other details. Once you've filled out the form, double-check the information. Everything looks good? Awesome. Now, hit that Create Contact button at the bottom. Once done, you will be redirected to the Contacts Information page. Here you can manage everything you need, see their history, add notes, check the overview, track activities, and more. It's all in one place. This time, instead of adding a single contact, we're going to import multiple contacts at once. Click on the Import button in the upper right corner. Click on I'll set it up myself. You'll be taken to the import page. Here, you have two options, importing from a file or syncing with an app. HubSpot integrates with many popular apps like Google Contacts, Outlook, and more. Choose the app you want to sync with and follow the prompts to connect your account. Let's start with importing from a CSV file. Select Import File from Computer. Since we will be adding contacts, click on Contacts. Now click on Next. Choose the CSV file that contains your contact information. Make sure your file is formatted correctly with headers like first name, last name, email, and any other relevant details. Once the file is selected, click on Next. HubSpot will prompt you to map the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. This ensures all your data gets imported correctly. Double-check the mappings, and when everything looks good, click on Next. Make sure that all contacts in the provided list are expecting to hear from your organization. HubSpot will now import all your contacts from the CSV file. Now to go back to Contacts page, click on CRM. Click on Contacts. Here you can see all the imported contacts. Here you'll see a list of all your contacts. By default, it shows some basic information, but you can customize this view to better suit your needs. Let's start with sorting. You can sort your contacts by clicking on the column headers. For example, clicking on Name will sort your contacts alphabetically by name. Click it again to reverse the order. Next, let's talk about filters. Above the contact list, you'll see the Filters panel. You can filter your contacts based on different criteria, like contact owner, create date, last activity, lead status, and advanced filters. Now let's customize the columns. Click on the Edit Columns button at the top of the list. Here, you can add or remove columns to display the information that's most relevant to you. You can drag and drop columns to rearrange them. And you can also select additional fields to display like phone number, job title, or any custom properties you've created. Once you've customized your view, click Apply to apply the changes. Now your contact listing page is set up just the way you like it. If you need to export your contact list, that's easy too. Click on the Export button, and that is it. Yes, you can use HubSpot for free. They offer a free version with basic features for CRM, email marketing, and more. It's great for getting started, and you can upgrade to paid plans as your needs grow.